To understand the full effects of a catastrophic nuclear disaster, we need look no further than the Chernobyl disaster. That was the site of what is widely considered the worst world nuclear crisis. As CCTV's Jack Barton discovered, nearly 3 decades on, there are still clear remnants of that fateful day.
It still looks like the set of a horror film. Dolls and toys remain where they were discarded in 1986 following the worst nuclear accident in history. This is Chernobyl in Ukraine, one of 2 cities in this area which also contained many smaller settlements. Each of these signs represents a town. In total, there are 96, all of them abandoned after the accident. After all these years, an international team is finally putting a secure safety shield over Reactor 4, which spewed radioactive material so far afield that more than 350 farms in Britain are still monitored for radiation. Chernobyl was an accident, but it also serves as a model for what could happen if a power plant were deliberately attacked.
For terrorist risk, it's the highest risk is an attack on a nuclear power plant or a spent fuel pool, because it's fairly easy and the consequences would be incredible.
Greenpeace should know. They regularly sneak into power stations like this one in Germany just last week.
It's very easy to walk in a reactor, and even on the reactor site, on the reactor dome, there is no way to stop a terrorist group going into a reactor site.
What worries some is that this scenario is not even going to be discussed at the current Nuclear Security Summit in the Netherlands, which has a limited focus.
To make sure that potential terrorists cannot get their hands on the fissile material or radiological material to make either a nuclear bomb or a radiological bomb.
A visit to Chernobyl still involves a series of radiation checks inside the 30-kilometre exclusion zone. Tour guides regularly check ground radiation levels.
Some people, they want to dismantle all these buildings. And some people, as me, we're absolutely against, because it's a unique place in the world. It's a lesson for all human beings.
But the question remains, have the lessons of this catastrophe really been learned? For those who believe these power plants are susceptible to terrorist attack, the answer is not yet. Jack Barton, CCTV, Chernobyl.